All right, so what you see here is a set of challenge locks from the Lock Picker 1969. Calls it Highways. This is his first set of challenge locks, and I started to do a video earlier this morning of unboxing it for the first time, and I was going to go ahead and try to pick. It's a progressive set. There's 3 locks. I was going to go ahead and try to pick and gut the first one, but there's a letter in here, and one of the things that he asked for was, before gutting them, there's a few questions he has based on just picking the locks but not gutting them, and then some other questions after gutting. So I wanted to do it and be able to give him the feedback the way that he asked for it. So I stopped making that video, and I was able to pick into 1 and 2, and I've spent about 30 minutes so far working on number 3, and I have not gotten anywhere on that. But I feel like I was able to answer the questions that he wanted answered, just based on being able to pick these 2 and not this one so far. I'm not giving up. I'm still going to pick that one, or I'm still going to keep trying for now. I haven't looked at any of these keys, and I haven't gutted anything, so I'm going to try to pick my way back into number 1. And if I can pick in there, we'll gut it and get to see what's inside there together. So get adjusted here. There we go. I don't think I had one set all the way up. And there was 5. Got a little bit of movement on the core. I think that was 4. Oh, I definitely heard something drop there. There we go. Got a deeper false set there. I think that was number 4. Pushed him up just a little bit higher. And got some counter rotation on 2. But 4 is back down. Nope, I let off too much and dropped something else. go. There we go. That's a nice deep false set there. See if I can find some kind of counter rotation. There we go. Oh, I think that was number 2, but I lost. Oh, there we go. 3 and 4 both fell part of the way back down. Try and keep that on camera. Keep that in frame there. Adjust this camera a little bit here. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. I gotta say, it was fun to pick. Grab the key here. You know, works beautifully, perfectly. He's got grub screws in it here, so I don't think we need the key to gut it. There's the spring. And look at that. Very nice. Trying to be careful about making sure I keep everything oriented correctly. Pin 2 goes like that. Try and keep that thing in frame there. I probably don't have to be as careful as I'm acting, because it shouldn't be too hard to figure out the orientation when putting it back together. And if I do get lost and don't know what I'm doing, he was nice enough to send diagrams and instructions on putting it back together as well. So if I do mess something up and can't figure out what I'm doing, he sent instructions for dummies like me. Which is definitely a good thing. take that clip off the back and see what kind of modifications he's done here. Probably should have took the clip off before I, you know. There we go. Somewhere I got a flashlight here. I don't see any threading in the body there. And the core, they look stock. The core and the body there look stock. Which this is just the first one. The you know, it's a progressive set. So it's got some very nicely made homemade pins. Try to give you a little closer up view there. But very nice, nicely done. It was fun to pick. I'm going to make another video here shortly of the second lock, and then hopefully I'll be able to pick my way into the third one and make a video about that. Excuse me. But I think that's it for this video, so thanks for watching.